Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine at home. I hope you all are enjoying your virtual class. Students, today we'll start with our new chapter of GK, Chapter 4 Dances of India. So, open your books at page number 8, Chapter 4 Dances of India. Students, here you have to identify the various classical dance forms of India. So many pictures are given to you. You have to identify which classical dance form of India is it. So let's start. Here's a look at the classical dance forms of India. Look at the pictures and match them to their names. Our first picture is given to us. Try to identify which classical dance form is it. Yes, the correct answer is option D, Kathak. Now, coming on to second picture, identify which classical dance form is it. Yes, its correct answer is option E, Kathakali. Coming on to third picture, try to identify which classical dance form is it. Yes, the correct answer is Bharatnatyam. Now coming on to fourth picture, try to identify which classical dance form is it. Yes, the correct answer is option B, Odissi. Now coming on to fifth option, try to identify which classical dance form of India is it. Yes, the correct answer is option F, Manipuri, Jagoi. Now coming on to last picture, sixth picture, try to identify which classical dance form of India is it. Yes, the correct answer is A option, Kuchipudi. Now coming on to question number B. Now write the names of the places of their origin using the help box. You have to take the help of the help box, and with this help you have to fill up the blanks. Now option 1, coming on to fill in the blank 1, Manipuri. From where Manipuri dance has originated. From where is Manipuri dance originated? The correct answer is Manipur. Second, Kathakali. From where Kathakali dance originated? Its answer is Kerala. Third, Bharatnatyam. From where Bharatnatyam originated? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Fourth, Odissi. From where did this originated? Yes, the correct answer is Odisha. Fifth is Kuchipudi. Yes, the correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Last, sixth, Kathak. Kathak. From where did Kathak originate? The correct answer is North India. Now open your books at page number 9. Classical dances are fixed in their format and are given the title classical dance. Folk dances, after many years of popularity, can also become classical if the government decides to give them this name. Both need a lot of practice and dedication. Together, they make our culture rich and colorful. Now let's read third question, C question. Let us see if you know the names of these famous folk dances. Now try to identify the first picture carefully. Yes, its answer is Bihu. Bihu. This is the most famous folk dances of Assam. Now coming on to second option, try to identify this famous folk dance. Yes, the answer is Garba. Now coming on to third picture, look at the picture and try to identify this dance form. this is from Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Matki dance. Now, coming on to next picture. This dance form is very famous. It is from Punjab. Yes, the correct answer is Bhangra.